Guys, lagyan natin ang asin guys. Lagyan natin itong talbos na kamote guys. Sabay na yan guys. Bati guys, lagyan na natin. Nakalasyas, malunggay guys. Yan o. Ang pasarap talaga guys. Patayin mo guys. So guys, lagyan natin ng magic sarap guys. Ito yung pampasarap guys, magic sarap. Ayan guys o. Ayan guys.